Modi said that the people of Bangladesh and other neighboring countries are suffering. But are we suffering? The youth, we are unemployed. We are suffering. Many people are suffering from unemployment, from poverty. But instead being shown, how can we accept when we ourselves are yet to be there? At a point where we can accept others, we have to help ourselves first. We cannot accept, and we say no to CAB in any form. CAB will not be accepted even if benefits from Meghalaya or not, because there is a lie of human diversion that will think bringing the citizens, if they have been part of other parts of India, they will be citizens and they can come into our state as well. So we do no to CAB in any form. And we also want to say this one thing: we will be part of any movement together. We are above party. This is much more than any political party. It is above us. It is about our identity, about our culture, and we have to safeguard it. We say no to CAB! No to CAB! No to CAB!